Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to use the DAX month function. This DAX function is used to create a new column with the month number from a date. I will add month number as a new column. Select New Column. I will name my column as DAX month and will write the formula equal to month and select date field from the table. We have now created a new column using the month DAX function. The newly created column has month number for the corresponding date column. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel to get daily updates and check out other Power BI videos on the BI Nerd.